generation K world main TAI TF KAAN, G speli mmu mili muharapakak K nam se bijana jada tha. 2025 main ya 5th generation stealth fighter jet officially spotlight main agaya high, or duniya is par ka closely nazar rakrahi high. Chali detail main decked hein kia ka is high is jet main or ka is ya regional or global air power dynamics ko badal sakta high. Sabs peli, design ki bait Korean. TF KAAN ka look ek modern 5th gen fighter J's F-22 or F-35 SE inspired high sharp lines, twin engine layout, stealth optimized airframe, or internal weapons bay. Ya jet stealth, speed or agility ka perfect combination ban k li design ki gaya high. Twin tail configuration or low radar cross section ensure karda high k ya aircraft difficult to detect raw, especially in contested airspace. Turkey NE is Project KO Turkish Aerospace Industries TAI K under develop Kia High, Jismaya Selson, Havelsan J's domestic defense tech companies Ka B contribution high. Iskamat Lab High Zyadatar Systems Radar, Avionics, Mission Computers all indigenously developed Hein. TF KAAN Surf EK Jetnahi, Baki Turkey K Defense Independence Ka symbol high. Powertrain K Li initial versions main General Electric F110 engines use Hong, Leakin long-term plan high EK indigenous turbofan engine develop Karn Ka, GS 2030 KAAS POS integrate Kia J Yega. Ya engine TF KAAN KO Super Cruise capability de Sakta high Yani Bina afterburner KB supersonic speed maintain Karna. Cockpit ki bait Korean to TF KAAN full glass cockpit layout K Soth Aata high single large touch screen, augmented reality HUD head-up display, or voice command interface. AI integration Ho Sakta high future variants main, JIS pilot workload cam ho or combat decision making fast ho. Weapons K Li TF KAAN main internal weapons bay high to maintain stealth profile. Ya carry Karga advanced air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground precision-guided munitions, or possibly even hypersonic weapons in the future. External hardpoints be available Hong when stealth is not priority. 2025 TAC TF KAAN Ka first flight complete Ho Chuka High, or test flights Ka phase ongoing high. Turkish Air Force's Jet KO F-16K replacement K Rup main Dekti High, or Plan High East 2030 KAAS POS full-scale production main Lana. Turkey Ka target high not just domestic use, but also export market. Friendly nations Jo Western 5th gen jets afford nahi kar sakt, Unkli TF KAAN ek cost-effective alternative ban sakta high. To Dustin, TAI TF KAAN Surf ek fighter jet nahi, Baki Turkey K Aerospace future Ka bold vision high. Kia Opko Lagta High TF KAAN Global 5th Gen Race Main Apni Jagabana Paiga Comment Kar Ki Batian. Agar Video Pasand Ayaho To Like Korean, Channel KO Subscribe Korean, or Bell Icon 0 or Dabayan. Mildhein Agal Video Main.